Welcome back to our solar street lights series. In today's video, we've got you covered with a comprehensive installation guide. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up solar street lights in your area. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning. Before you start, plan the locations for your solar street lights. Consider factors like the best exposure to sunlight and ensuring they're evenly spaced. Step 2. Gather your tools. You'll need some basic tools such as a shovel, concrete, post holes, a battery, the light fixture, and of course, your solar panel. Step 3. Digging the hole. Begin by digging a hole for the post. It should be deep enough to provide stability for your solar street light. Mix concrete and secure the post in place. Step 4. Mount the solar panel. Place the solar panel in a location with maximum sunlight. Secure it properly so it's at the right angle to absorb the most sunlight throughout the day. Step 5. Connect the battery. Attach the battery to the solar panel and light fixture. This is where the energy is stored to power your light during the night. Step 6. Attach the light fixture. Connect the light fixture to the post and battery. Make sure all the wires are securely fastened. And there you have it. Your solar street light is ready to illuminate your space with clean, renewable energy. Thanks for joining us for this installation guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solar insights. See you next time.